Hey everyone, Zero here, and this is the lecture guy. See my friends, to my left is Green, to my right is Ricky the Spirit of Earth. Don't be afraid of their names, they are nice to know. And Razor Wind. I'm sorry I used gas break without asking. As you can see, this will be me from now on. I didn't want no one mad at me. Well, I live not too far from the hedgehog's place, and this version is big. And in my show, if you can't strike but want to be in a hit, I might make one for you. Well, that's about it. Wait. Oh wait. I forgot. Ricky, I had to tell them about you. Your brain is super strong. You can't beat into walls without breaking them. And he controls thunder and lightning. What his power is to control all robots around him as well as the Earth. He can go anywhere. Well, that's it for now. Laters.